Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I'm starting this vlog here. We're in Zara. Yeah, I just came out to come and take some pictures, although my hubby came for shopping. We followed him. Me, I didn't come for shopping today, but I just came out to come and take some cool pictures. You can see I did my makeup. So we are waiting for him so that we'll be able to go and take the pictures. Guys, I'm kind of like ashamed because everybody's looking at me. I'm in Zara right now anyways. I'm in Zara. I didn't came to shop. So guys, like I said before, I didn't came to Zara to shop for myself. We came to Zara to shop for our son in Nigeria. You know, very soon we'll soon be sending things home for December. So this is how we normally buy them, little by little, so that the expenses will not be too much on us. We normally start by this time. Not even by this time, we have started buying things ever since, but just one. If we go to Zara or we go to any place, we see what we like, we get it. That's how we normally buy things for December. So when it's December, the thing will not be too much for us. We'll just have to buy few things and add to it, then send the ones we are going to send. So right now I'm going downstairs to meet him because this upstairs is for women and the downstairs is for children's session. So I'm going right now to go and meet him downstairs.
And starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm thinking. Take me to a world of silver.
At this point, Owen was shaking the whole Zara. He was screaming, crying that he wanted to come down from the stroller. I didn't want to bring him down though, because I know if I bring him down, he's going to be running up and down or scattering things in Zara, of which I don't want. But I had no choice because everybody was looking at me. I had no choice than to bring him down. And immediately I brought him down, he starts walking up and down. Ask me where this boy is going to. I don't even know. See him. He just left the two people that came with him and start walking up and down. That is what he just wants. He don't want to stay in his stroller anymore. He just wants to walk up by himself. And the thing is that if you allow him to walk, he will not walk or he will start running. That is why I don't bring him down from the stroller. I rather just put him in the stroller, but he don't want that. I dressed, makeup, and went out to take some cool pictures. Yeah. So after we left Zara, so hubby went to go and take me some cool pictures. I'll be leaving that in my community tab. You can check my community tab for those beautiful pictures. Okay, and after he took me some picture, he was going home. Yeah, he left us because we were going different direction. I was going to a store where they call Aero store, like things are very affordable there. They sell things there 1 euro, and I went there to go and get a charger because someone actually told me she got a charger in the shop, and the charger is very nice. Since my charger was misbehaving, I went there to go and get a charger. Here is me dancing without music, just trying to feel myself before we go. You can see me dancing. I'm not dancing to any musical. I'm just using my mouth to sing. Oh my god, I had fun anyways. Yes, I had fun.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Now I'm in a store where they sell things 1 euro. Like things are very cheap here. This is, should I say, it's Aero store? Yeah, I'm in an Aero store. But the name of the store is Teddy. Most of their things are 1 euro. Very cheap, so cheap. So I'm going to be buying things here. I'm seeing a lot of beautiful things that I would like to get here, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be getting. I just bought a bag of popcorn for this boy so that he can allow me to do what I have to do, because I need to walk around this store to see what I can get, and things are really cheap. There are things to decorate and so many things. So I'm going to be showing you guys around anyway. I already got this charger cable for 1 euro. You can see my charger is misbehaving, so I got this for 1 euro. And here is the bag of popcorn I bought for him so that he can allow me to take. I'm going to be getting clock for our city room. We don't have clock yet for our city room. And here is just 3 euros.
You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something that fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something that fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So guys, there was this clock I picked before, which was 3 euros something. I showed you guys, but when I move forward, I saw more beautiful clock. You can see how beautiful these ones are. So I just took that small one there, which is silver, and I like it.
Up with you in the morning. Something that's fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room.
So guys, welcome back again to the vlog. Yeah, this is the next day of the vlog, and this is me. Yeah. Yesterday I could not continue the vlogging because I was pushing stroller and I was using one hand to record. It doesn't make sense. Owen was dragging things. I don't want him to spoil anything in the shop there where we went to. So seriously, I saw a lot of beautiful things I'm supposed to get, but just because I'm with Owen yesterday, I could not buy them. But I'm still going there next time to go and pick some few things. Like I want to put frame in this side of the sitting room, in this side of our sitting room where there's chair, not this side where there's telly. and there is flame there I actually saw yesterday, which I like to buy for this place, but I could not buy it because I was with Owen. There was actually beautiful stuff that I would have loved to get yesterday, but just because I can't get them because I'm pushing stroller, I'll go there next time to go and buy what I want to buy. E.g., I'm going there because I want to buy frame, but there are many things to decorate there, many cheap things, like they are so affordable and so beautiful as well. So yesterday I bought my cable charger, and that cable is working so nice with my phone. It's charging my phone very well. It's cable charger, so I bought that for just €1. So I bought this wall clock as well. I bought this wall clock for €8. Yeah, this was not the actual one I picked yesterday, but when I moved forward I saw this beautiful one. Like I said before earlier, I saw this beautiful one and I picked this one because I like this one more than that one. This one is so beautiful. So guys, I'm going to be ending this video here. I'm going to be ending this vlog here. Thank you all so much for watching this vlog, and I will see you all in my next vlog. For now, bye bye.